Hi there, welcome to Elementary Atom. Today we'll do something fun using the Base Toolkit. Alarms are audiovisual signals which alert people that something unwanted is going on. Intruder alarms do this by detecting someone who should not be in some restricted area. Let's make a link of atom units using power unit, branch unit, light detector unit, and buzzer unit. Simply by adjusting the knob on the light detector unit, we can make sure how much light is required for the buzzer unit to work. Now, if we use an extender and a red indicator LED unit, we can build a simple alarm. Let's make an intruder alarm which works especially well during night times. Now, there won't be any unwanted people coming inside the house or inside your room. It is also possible to detect sound along with the light. Try it out yourself.